Chartnote Companion is a feature of the Chartnote Chrome extension that helps you chart more efficiently directly inside your EHR. It lets you pin a note and keep it with you while you chart. Once pinned, the note stays visible in your EHR and gives you quick access to each section of your note. To get started, simply pin the note you're working from in the Chartnote Chrome extension. This tells Chartnote that this is the note you're charting from right now. When a note is pinned, the Chartnote Companion appears and shows each section of your note along with its shortcut. While charting, just type an @section shortcut, like @section 2, and press Tab. Chartnote will instantly insert that section into your chart. You can use this for the subjective, objective, assessment, and plan, or any other section in your note. There's no need to switch tabs or copy and paste. Your note stays with you while you focus on patient care. When you're done, you can unpin the note or pin a different one at any time. That's Chartnote Companion, built to keep your note where you need it while you chart.